Do not use body parts in the garbage disposal. I'm going to be showing you a couple methods of troubleshooting your disposal. Method number 1. If your garbage disposal isn't turning on, no power at all, there's a button underneath. It's usually red or black. You just go under and you push the button. And then should work. Method number 2. This is for if your garbage disposal is humming but not working. So what you're going to need to do is first unplug or disconnect power from the breaker. And then manually with your S wrench, there's a little thing right here, you put it in and then you manually twist it. Okay. Now take your tool, not your fingers, and pull out whatever it was, and then you're going to test it. So plug it back in or turn your power back on.